Hi, I'm Marta, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Last weekend, we had so much fun, and Darren made this pork. Oh, it was so good. I wanted to show you Friday and Saturday's haul. We went to a few garage sales and Hobby Lobby and Walmart. I didn't get a whole lot, but I thought you would enjoy seeing what I did get. Darren loves, what is it called? Doctor Who. See how much I like it? No, I like Doctor Who. Not every season, not every doctor, but we found this telephone booth. It opens up, if I can get it. It takes a battery, and I'm not sure just what the battery does yet, but isn't that cute? We found this at a garage sale. See, it talks or something. It makes probably swooshing sounds. I don't know. But we found this at a garage sale, and it caught his eye, and he sat it back down, and I went over and asked how much it was. 50 cents. We needed it. I have a skirt in Doctor Who print that we found at a garage sale that was kind of the opposite. I found it and put it back, and Darren went and bought it for me. It's quite short. He likes it. I also found this little cutie. And she does work. She has batteries, but oh, she's pretty dirty. We're gonna get her cleaned up and make her an outfit. Another 50 cents. I thought it was quite worth it. I'm gonna lay her like this. One or two other things that we found at a garage sale. This was actually from a thrift store. I'll show that last. I like to enhance my dolls' outfits. I have that flamingo print. Darren made some really cute palm tree charms that I've been putting on my flamingo print dresses. But this was a little tack pin, and I thought that would be really cute on an American Girl doll dress with the flamingos, or the Poopsie Surprise. It was $1. It was worth it. I'm working on some goth outfits and accessories for my goth doll, and we have that challenge coming up in July. You can check my other videos. Do I want these beads? I don't think so. They're too big, I think, for my goth doll, and the holes are too small for the string. But I wanted this chain, and it was 50 cents. So I thought, yeah, I can use that. I can use that on belts and boots and necklaces or whatever. They also had these hoop earrings in black. And I like the posts for the hoop earrings because they lay right on the face. And what I do is I bend this so that it's just kinked a little bit, stays in the doll's ear a little better, and then I put just a tiny, tiny thin coat of hot glue on that, and that gives it a little non-friction or friction so that it doesn't fall off as easily. Anyway, in the same thrift store, Darren found me a Boxy girl. I do like these Boxy dolls, or Boxy girl dolls. They're cute. They're kind of fun. They're different. I like them because they're different. This is Coco, and Coco needs her hair washed and a skirt and shoes. Darren made them little shoe soles that you can craft and make shoes for them. And I really like those. They're fun. Then I went to two different Walmarts, actually, and I found a few. Oh, wait a minute, what's this? Oh, yeah, this is Walmart. This was the second one I went to. Let me show you this first. I found some black ribbons. Again, we have the golf challenges coming up. Hope you'll join in on that. Also have, if you don't like golf, we also have a challenge for Snow White, which is going to be fun coming up. It's a collab. I'm working with two different channels. With the Snow White, I'm working with Tammy Polly. With the goth, I'm working with J Dolls UK. I bought this. I've been trying this. I'm iffy on it. the tiny dolls, it's very hard to sew the seams on their clothing. So I'm let's put it this way, I'm experimenting. And then I bought this. It was $1 at Walmart. Look at all the chain you get with that. And that's what I was after, is the chain. You can make necklaces that already has pearls on it. And see if I can pull it over so you can see it. There's like 3 pearls, chain, 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 3 pearls, chain, chain, chain. You can cut that, add a clasp, and use those on your dolls. That's what I got it for. I won't use this for goth because it's gold. Goth is usually silver. Oh, and I got some fray check and purple and blue ribbon. I buy these because they're 47 cents. I know the price is heading up on those to 97 cents because some of them already are. Oh, and I needed some eye drops the other day. Didn't have any, so Darren picked those up. Then we went to Hobby Lobby. Well, first we went and ate, and I got my craft sticks, compliments of the Chinese restaurant. I bought black lace because I'm working on some things that need black lace and red lace. I bought some more sock monkey buttons, and I'm going to use these for hair accessories, mostly for little outfits I'm putting up on our website coming soon. And I got this fabric. I was really happy to find this 1970s type fabric. And I have a lot of ideas for this, and I'll tell you more about that on another video. I have been asked to do a challenge with someone else coming up that has to do with live horses. That's all I'm going to say on that right now, but I needed this little print for our dolls. What else did I get? Oh, and I'm working on another collab with someone else, and it's Baby Alive, and I couldn't find the elephant print I wanted, so I bought this. I really like it. When I bought it, Darren said, boy, that's a cute print for your Blythe dolls, and it is. Wouldn't that be cute, like on the front of a dress and then this as a skirt? There's just a lot of possibilities there. Little tops with this in the front. I like it. And then, of course, trying to get ahead of everything, making some dresses that I'm going to sell on our website. So I got that, and that took care of Hobby Lobby. And I went and found one of the items I left here looking for, and that is black tulle for the Goth Challenge. I can use that for a lot of different things. So I got that, and then we went, the last place we went was a Walmart, and if you see these scissors with the not blunt end, but more, they're blunt, but they're not the rounded. These are fantastic in your sewing area, and they last, and they work well, and they cut fabrics. $1. I bought a couple of these. I bought another one just because they were there. And I found some really cute fabrics. This one is more of a nod to the 70s also. Yes, I do realize that tie-dyeing is going on now, and in the 90s you guys tie-dyed, but it's really is a 60s thing. Isn't that cool? So I got that, and then I have beach theme things going on. Look at this. How cute is that? It's like looking down at the beach from a drone. Cute, isn't it? So I got that. These were just fat quarters. I think these were $1.47. Watch the prices. Some are 97, they lead you to believe, and you get to the register, they're $1.47 and up. And then, Stella, look what I found. The fabric that I have been looking for in the Walmarts that has been sold out around here. I finally found. So this you will see in an upcoming collab, and I'm looking forward to using it. So we really had a good time again, and we ate our Chinese, which we love. Came home, and in the mailbox was something very, very fun. And I bet you all were thinking, oh, look at that. She didn't have a Blythe in this video. Well, look again. I saw these on AliExpress, and I use these for different things. Oh, the chain is weird. I mean, it's a chain, but yeah, it's metal. Look at the charm on there. Is that cute or what? You could use that for a pull string, or you could use it for an ornament, or you could use it for a necklace on one of your bigger dolls. There is so much you could do with it. I was delighted to see this come, and yes, I'll probably order a couple more of those. I don't think they were, I don't know. They were very inexpensive. Anyway, thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. We really appreciate it. Please give us a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe.